going to be a full day in the life.
Yeah.
And it's time. So guys, we're going to jump in the car. This is going to be a full day in the life. Well, from 5:30 a.m.
5:38.
Well, it's now about to be 6 because we're dressed already.
Now.
And it's time.
Look, she got a McDonald's crop meal.
Cute, isn't it?
I didn't have a Happy Meal. Dottie only had that.
Yeah, well, Nanny Bev said she got you one, but she had your chicken and you had popcorn chicken from KFC. We're off to hunt some balloons. Do you know the annoying thing? You can't check ahead of time if they're going up. You have to wait until 6 o'clock. So on Facebook, they've got their own page, but so they normally do a morning ascent and an evening ascent, and until 6 a.m. or 6 p.m, that's when they make the call if they're going up. But I've checked the weather, as you do. You tired, Penny? It says there's a 2-mile-an-hour wind, so I think it's fine. And it looks so perfect because... Let me take you upstairs quickly. Yeah?
If the wind's going towards Hincham and go on river, why can't you go up?
No, it won't go up if it's going towards our river here to Avonmouth.
Yeah, why?
Because the wind can take them out. But yeah, the wind can take them out and they've got nowhere to land over the channel.
Can you go in that channel?
Probably, yeah. A balloon can only step for so long. Oh, Darcy's risen. Yeah, let me go and show you the sunrise. It has come up, but from my bedroom it looks so cute. I'm just that person who's like a sunset and sunrise person that you can already see. You can come up, darling.
Yeah, come on.
Right, are you ready? It's just coming up over there. So in the morning we get it at the front of the house, and on an evening we get it at the back of the house.
Pink sky at the back.
You know what they say about that? Pink sky at night, shepherd's delight. So guys, we're gonna jump in the car and see, sorry it's gone, the lighting will catch up now. We are gonna jump in the car and see, we've got car parking so you have to buy car parking and it does completely sell out. And my sister bought it when it was on. Penny's crying, so this upset her. Come on, darling. We're going to go in the car and see the sunrise, okay? Come on, let's put your Crocs on. No, there wasn't nothing to see though, darling. So you didn't...
I wanted to say, but he said no.
Yeah, can we take her for a walk?
This one? And this one? Who's eating?
Oh, can we take her?
Yeah. I've gone, sorry. Where's my shoes? Yeah, the car parking completely sells out. My sister got it and it also changes price depending on what tier we're in. So if you buy it in tier 1, it's obviously cheapest. At the minute, it was up to £30 just to park the car. And we thought that you could go, I'm just going to get stuff out of the boot, okay? I'm not going anywhere. We thought that you'd be able to go in and out because that's what we'd read, but you can't. It's single use only. So I was planning on parking in the arena this morning because it's like open from 6 until 10. But obviously I don't want to stay there from 6 a.m. until 10, as much as I love the balloons. It's a bit of a long stint. So we were planning on going this morning and then coming back and going back this afternoon with our friends, but we can't do that. So I'm trying to park close to the arena, or like just over the bridge, Clifton Suspension Bridge, if anybody else is near Bristol, but Tom thinks it's closed. I know it will be closed this evening. I don't know if it's closed this morning, so we shall see. we may just have to, because I want to go, oh, I'm just tracking you now, Doris. I want to go into the arena if I can and watch them ascend from there, but we'll just have to see. Seagulls are back, guys. Tom's currently just making the coffees. You can see the planes, look at the sky. Seagulls are crazy. Oh, the moon stood out, guys. Oh, hi seagull. Apparently we've parked. It's a bit of a trek now. Darcy's seen a balloon in the sky, so we will see. Not going to see much right now because we're on a hill, but we're like that's your workout. Got Ollie behind. Clifford's being annoying to Tom. It's a tui, is it? Tom's all the way up there, but Clifford's giving him some. He's being annoying. We've got to change of plan, guys, because the entrance that I thought was open isn't open, so we're just going to go and watch it from the bridge, and then we'll see if we can find them. Change of plan, guys. We're now going to go. They're flying because of the wind direction. They're flying in a different direction. So we thought we could see them on the bridge, but they're literally going away. So there's so many people on the sea walls and everything, and they're not going to see anything.
I'm in my vlogging error, guys. Is this my sign to start YouTube or what? Run club. Test my confidence in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I feel like an influencer right now. That was risky, that was scary business, that was. Anyway, bye guys. I know you really let me vlog in, but I'm gonna have to go.
So we're back home now. I've just been shopping to get a few bits and pieces because we are heading to the main balloon fiesta this later on this afternoon, about 2 o'clock. It's currently midday. So I've just gone and bought some snacks and fruit and things like that. I need to just quickly run a sink and get it all washed and soaked, then make lunch for everybody. And then we'll kind of figure out what we're going to be taking. I think I'm going to take a bit of like an evening meal for the kids. Just something like pasta or something like that, just so we can take it in pots. So they've got something, because by the time we get out of there, it's going to be 10 o'clock. And they don't really eat food like from burger vans and things like that. Darcy would have a burger, but Ollie wouldn't eat that. So we're going to be a little bit stuck otherwise on what we do. So I'm just going to run the sink and get this fruit soaking. Is that your favourite thing you've seen?
Hold tight, 'cause I know we're changing.